Dude, again, I appreciate you.
No problem.
And you guys go give him a like, a follow, all that stuff on Instagram at CaesarBoost Built. I'm nervous. I've been telling him, I'm nervous because I didn't fully assemble this car myself. Like, I had Caesar do it, and the exhaust obviously isn't gonna make my car not run correctly unless it, you know, had an exhaust leak or something like that. Full 3 in. I'm gonna drive it for a little while and then go check out Caesar's shop, see what he's doing, and maybe put a wrench and socket up to some of the bolts, and hopefully everything goes well. Wish me luck, you guys. Subscribe, like, comment, all that, and like I said, go give Guy a follow on Instagram. He's not on Instagram much, so you know, maybe you get a message once in a while.
That is absolutely dope.
Well, you guys, I'm here at Jesse's house working on his very dirty caliber that needs a lot of help. I don't know what this is, but I just put the post on because they were off. I don't have any battery. I guarantee it, this relay box down here. And I'm out here working on my caliber. This is what I've done in the past couple days. Switching out TIPMs and playing with this relay fuse box. If you go to the junkyard, you'll notice that a lot of these are literally just cut out of the harness. Found one that was in good shape. That's down here behind your bumper under your driver's side headlight. Or the battery's just dead. So I think I'm gonna have to take the headlight out real quick if I can. Disassemble this. Looks like just a zip tie. And then there'll be something there if I can get to it, but I gotta be able to turn the wheel. I'm sad to announce, I really can't do much with that caliber. With no power, no extension cord. I had a tender with me, but I just had no sources to be able to do anything. Limited amount of tools. I think that's all I'm gonna really bring. Maybe next time. But I gotta head back. I gotta go back to NorCal. Hopefully I reach it, because I thought my buddy Chris May was gonna be coming down here, meeting up with me and driving back, but he isn't answering, so I'm gonna call him one more time, and if he doesn't answer, it is what it is. Nope, straight to voicemail. Alright guys, I have 3 hours and 41 minutes left, 247 miles. Me and Caesar, yesterday, after I picked it up from Diaz, we dropped the tank 4 times to make sure it was 100. I've also been noticing shrugging going on when I accelerate. We checked to see why I was getting hiccups, and pretty much it was a hydromat. I'm having issues now, roughly halfway through the drive home, and I'm not sure if it's my fuel pump cutting out, or it's my IAC, my throttle position sensor, or even my cam sensor. I haven't replaced those brand new. I think I did, but I don't know. I bought a 450 off of Caesar, which is right here. We went ahead and cut that up, trying to test fit a fit-in so I could have that with the hydromat, but I think the hydromat is my issue. It's not staying under the gas. That way I don't collect any air in the hydromat, because if you get any air in line, you have hiccups. And I gotta tear it apart, you guys. I gotta figure it out. I haven't boosted. Literally, I have not.
Cruise control / brake switch. What does 0573 code mean? Cruise control brake switch A circuit high. This can happen for multiple reasons, and mechanic needs to diagnose the specific cause for the code to be triggered in your situation.
P0300.
If you're getting a P0300 code, it is a cylinder misfire. It could be either the coil pack, it could be the wires, it could be the spark plugs, it could be something else. Who knows?
And a P0463 code
refers to after Wally 255 and E85, fuel lever sensor high, fuel lever sensor circuit high input. P0463 is moderately common OBD tube trouble code that can occur in your Dodge Neon. It indicates that the vehicle's computer has detected an inaccurate fuel level reading. It shouldn't affect the drivability of your Neon, but it can be inconvenient.
And I've driven it a little bit, and I've had a code P0171 since this morning, and that means your upstream O2 sensor is telling the PCM the air fuel is really lean, and to dump a shitload of fuel, the code set when the PCM. So I need my car tuned. So what I'm gonna be doing is purchasing HP tuners. I was talking to Chris Zielinski the other day from Canada. He's actually the tuner that tuned my car behind the scenes, I guess we could say it, when I was down in Largo, Florida at Ricardo Shop.
Gen 2 ball bearing 6062.
Oh yeah, you're gonna definitely make more.
Ooh, he said, yo, Daryl says 450. I say 420. What do you think?
I don't know if I'll make 450.
So what I'm gonna be doing is purchasing HP tuners plug-in for my OBD2. I'm gonna also get the Pro.
This cable.
Alright, this is the Pro Link. This has to be wired into my wideband. I'm actually here editing this video, so let's get back into it.
But I need to buy myself a Windows laptop because HP tuners works better with Windows than it does Apple's. Thankfully, I got my car back. I got 616 miles on the car myself, and then Caesar has the 30-ish from Caesar shop to DI, roughly 650 miles.